To smoke a cigar, first cut about 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters off the end of the cigar with the wrapper on it using a cigar clipper. If you don't have a cigar clipper, you can use a knife instead. Then, rotate the cigar and use a torch lighter or match to singe the end you didn't cut for a few seconds without letting the flame touch it directly. Try to avoid using a regular lighter, since you could ruin the cigar's flavor. Once you've burned the tip a little, put the cut end of the cigar in your mouth. Then, fully light the other end of the cigar while you take light, gentle puffs. When the cigar is lit, start smoking it by drawing the smoke into your mouth and holding it in there for a moment before exhaling. Don't actually inhale the smoke. Just hold it in your mouth. Remove the wrapper on the cigar when the lit end gets within 1 inch, 2.5 centimeters of the label. Put the lit end out and discard your cigar once it reaches just below where the wrapper used to be.